and then I will connect to Facebook will refresh. There you go. I can go live on Facebook. Uh-huh.
ThriveDesk is your go-to customer support suite to streamline communication and enhance productivity for growing businesses. Let us show you how ThriveDesk works in the next 3 minutes. Start with setting up an inbox. Name it, and you'll receive an email address. Connect with your existing email from any provider, Gmail, Outlook, Zoho, and more. Then bring your team into the fold. Once your inbox is set, it becomes the hub for your team to create, delegate, and collaborate. Now the first time anybody emails you, it lands in the unassigned folder, highlighting messages awaiting your attention. Assign tickets to yourself that appear in Mine, or to team members that will be visible in the assigned folder. Want to organize better? Tag the ticket. We're on those later. Reply to tickets with personalized messages, canned replies for common queries, or leverage AI for drafting responses. Collaborate seamlessly by leaving notes and mention team members, ensuring immediate notification. Navigate through customers' past conversations for context, and merge duplicate tickets to streamline communication. Under Workflow, manage tags and colors for easy identification. Create canned replies and make them inbox-specific, instantly accessible through inboxes and live chat. Automate repetitive tasks to enhance efficiency. Sort emails, prioritize tickets, escalate issues, and filter spam before they hit your inbox. Choose from preset workflows or customize to your needs. Simplifying your processes is simpler than you think. Let's move on to the assistant. Create multiple assistants tailored for live chat or self-help centers, customized to reflect your brand's vibe. Choose between anonymous chats or required visitor emails. Add a contact form for times when your team is offline. ThriveDesk supports multiple languages, allowing for a broader reach. Copy the installation script, add it to your website, you're ready to chat. Then we have the visitors. Monitor real-time visitor activity on your website. Engage directly through chat, making interactions more personal and effective. ThriveDesk's seamless integration with your existing app brings valuable customer insights right to your inbox. Want to help customers help themselves? Build a robust knowledge base with categories and articles, customizable to your brand. Publish on your domain, keeping everything consistent. Analyze customer search trends to refine and expand your help articles. Link your knowledge base to assistance for easy website access, ensuring customers find help without leaving your site. ThriveDesk has more. Personalized email signatures, satisfaction survey, and integrate with WooCommerce or Shopify for streamlined customer service. Stay on top of important communications with customizable notifications. And the best part? WordPress users can easily integrate ThriveDesk, creating an inbuilt help center. ThriveDesk goes beyond with features like email forwarding, multi-email replies, private notes, team mentions, advanced reporting, and an AI chatbot. Try ThriveDesk for free for 1 week. Need more time? Just ask. It's the easiest thing you haven't done yet.
Woo! Yeah, where you found that tune was great. I don't know, but it's amazing. Let me kill this. Hey, welcome, Parves. Welcome to the LTDF community.
Thank you for
excited.
having me.
No, that's amazing. Thank you for being open to jump in like really 10 minutes ago. So that was great. And also, thank you for opening the opportunity to get to know you better, learn from your company, your brand, your team, and for giving us a special deal for the LTDF community. You can see at the bottom what we are getting today. But mostly first, quickly, we want to chat and get to know Parves. You will know that Parves has 3 daughters with beautiful names. Yeah. You may say, this guy doesn't look like a family man, but he actually is one. Just like me, I have 2 daughters, 2 years, 6 years. I'm in love with them. So yeah. And after that, we want to understand the history of ThriveDesk, because we have seen like so many iterations of the product. Things are moving fast. So we want to know about how you decided, for instance, to go crazy developing a Shopify integration and all that. No, that is only for not only for WordPress stuff. It's like for anything these days. So let's do it. Parves, tell us
Yeah.
what's your story, like where everything started. When Parves decided, hey, I'm going to stop working for other people and I will start to try to build my own empire now. When that happened?
Okay, so before going into my backstory, I wanted to give a heads up to you. Thank you for having me. And I think you are the only one I am giving a discount to. I have never given any discount to this year Black Friday discount coupon. So you are the only one, and the LTDF community will get the one of a kind discount before it expires.
Nice. Thank you. Awesome.
So yeah, and I also wanted to give a quiz. You mentioned that I have a 3 daughter. If anyone can guess the age of my first daughter, I will give a solopreneur license free. That's over $300. So
Oh,
but
nice.
but the condition is
Hmm.
you don't know me and you have never been in touch with me, so that you know that information. So you can just guess,
Yeah, of course,
comment
of course. Well,
comment here, and if you can guess correctly, I will give you the license. So
oh, that's cool. Thank you for the giveaway. So giveaway, if you can guess what's the age of Parves'
my
first daughter.
firstborn, yeah.
Yes, yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, thank you for that. We'll keep it in our records. So let's go now. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, so I'm actually entrepreneur. I think from very long time. So from 2010, I started my journey, and I have a pretty successful theme club or theme shop company for Joomla space. If you are familiar with Joomla, most of people are joining this show may or may not familiar with the Joomla, but it was a thing back in 2010 because the
Yeah, I
Joomla and the
actually
WordPress.
started with Joomla. I started with Joomla before WordPress. I was using
Yeah,
Rocket Themes, Dune Shaper, and all those.
yeah,
Then
yeah.
also the Shape 5, I think. Yeah, all those. Yeah.
Shape 5 Joomla. So we theme expert and Joom Shaper started the same time. So we
Uh-huh.
actually friend, both are friend. So we started same time. One day with a discussion with T, we decided we should launch a theme club, and we decided to launch it. So
Yeah.
since then we work on Joomla themes. We have created the page builder for Joomla, and before Elementor, it was a page builder. We created the page drag and drop page builder for Joomla. I think it was 2015. So we created the first page builder for Joomla. Then we decided to come with the WordPress version, and we saw the Elementor came and
Uh-huh.
conquer. So
Yeah,
so
crazy. Was crazy. Yeah, it was
crazy,
crazy time.
yeah.
Yeah.
So they got funding, they got everything. So we postponed this market, but Kausar still pursue, and they decided to build a page builder for WordPress. I think that is now called Droip or something. uh,
Mm,
uh, they created a page builder for WordPress, but we didn't take the chance. So
sure.
uh, since then I've been developing product, interacting with customer, and I'm a customer support guy from the beginning, because that's the most things I interact on the beginning days. I used to create themes, plugins, interact with customers, support customers, and I've used just tons of software, customer support software. You can say Zendesk, Freshdesk, Intercom, whatever you name it, we have used it, free and paid version. In fact, Zendesk bought a live chat company called Zopim. That was a Singaporean company called Zopim. We used to use the software, then Zendesk bought it, rebranded it in the Zendesk chat and something like that. Then we moved away, and what we saw that every company started from the SMB. They make a plan for the SMB, but they started to grow and they focus more on the enterprise side, because the money is in the enterprise side.
Of course.
And they focused on more and more, and the SMB just got left behind. So they just every year they change their pricing. Like before starting ThriveDesk, we used to use Help Scout. They used to change their pricing every year, and also they don't grandfather your pricing, and they do a lot of stuffs, to survive whatever things they do. But everyone started with a small business, and then they focus on the enterprise side. So we think, let's make a software that is by SMB for SMB. So we have
Yeah.
a very much focused purpose, and we will have focus on the SMB portion. So I'm a big fan of Basecamp, and I'm also very much try to copy their philosophy and everything. And I like their philosophy on the pricing, business growth, everything. So if you go on
Yeah.
ThriveDesk website, you will not find any enterprise client or custom plan. Everything is 2 or 3 packages, and
Transparent. Yeah.
everyone is treated equally. So you pay us $10,000 and we will devote everything for you to serve you. No, not like that. So
Yeah. Yeah.
if you pay us $49, you will get the same treatment as anyone else. So that's the things, and that's what we wanted to build. We don't wanted to build a company serving enterprises, because there is tons of companies out there. We wanted to keep in the SMB segment.
Yeah, I think that it's a smart move, honestly. Like the segment that SMB, no, like kind of even startups these days is huge. No, like also we have seen many SaaS bootstrapping without all the VC money doing really good. Like for instance, the guys from Senja, no, this is a testimonial platform. They are doing 50K MRR, and they have been just like pushing, 2 founders pushing the product, one building, one promoting, and things are going well. So I think that makes sense. These days there's a huge opportunity to serve the SMB segment. So I think it's a smart way. Totally fine. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's the reason we built all these features, all this. We don't wanted to make these things complicated. We wanted to make these things simple and easy to use. And you also, being our customer, you can also say positive and negative things about our software. But we wanted to keep it simple. We wanted to keep it fast. We wanted to make it solve the problem.
Yeah, yeah. We actually we use ThriveDesk ourselves to manage liquidpoll.com, or Poll's plugin, liquidpoll.com support queries, and also strivecalendar.com for support queries. So I have seen myself. I have my account, I would say maybe a year and a half. I would say that I have been able to see the evolution of the platform. Every time I logged in, I see the tab at the top. Hey, please refresh because this is the latest version, right? So I can see like the effort, the heart that you're putting into this product. That's why I trust this product. I mean, there is no platform perfect, just like to be straight. But I would say the effort and the fast pace that you are doing with this, even sometimes rebuilding from scratch certain areas, is insane. So that's kind of the kudos side of things. And then feedback wise, I would say after all this cool stuff happening on web, now we need a few of this love towards the mobile app, and then you will be the perfect solution. I think that the mobile app still needs some love, but once that is sorted, you will be like at this level, really, like head to head with many big solutions that are charging lots of money for a service that is okay. So yeah, that's my personal experience as client of ThriveDesk. But I'm still happy user. I'm still everything connected. And the latest thing that you did last year, I think, was the freemium integration. That solved all my issues. Like that was like the final ice on the cake. Now for me, like all issues solved. So yeah, thank you for that. Now probably Parves, what people want to understand is maybe doing understanding of the layout of the platform, the UI, the different sections. Are you able to share your screen? Maybe give us a walkthrough on different sections of the platform, please.
Yeah, sure. And I wanted to share that I found a platform. Are you familiar with the Flutter Flow?
Oh, totally. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like Elementor for building a mobile application. So
Mobile app. Yes.
yeah. So I think that is a real cool platform, and I in this month I will dedicated myself to build a mobile application using the Flutter Flow. So I ask my developer to expose all the API and give me the documentation so that I can build it myself. I can maybe
Yeah.
I will record it as well. But
Wow. No, it's
yeah.
Flutterflow is solid. There are many successful mobile apps even doing lots of money with the Flutterflow. Even the latest version enabled huge features. So I'm following Flutterflow because I am also kind of in the no code side of things. No, so I also like always checking like Flutterflow, Glide, and many other. No, I was even like 10 years ago selling mobile apps with Good Barber. No, so yeah, I know all this stuff, so no problem.
Yeah, so I tried Flutterflow starting this year, and I see there is a lot of issues with their components and modules. So I thought later I will check, and I think this is the right time because they raise money and they have a lot of feature right now. So definitely that will be
If
also
you
a
need
try.
help, I am connected with the head of developer relations. If you need help, I am connected with Erica. Is their head
Awesome,
of community relations. So just let me know.
awesome.
Okay, demo time.
So
Demo time. Let's go.
yeah, I've shared my
Let me
screen.
push this. Yes. Let me. Yeah, we can see now
Okay,
your screen, so
okay,
we can
awesome.
see many harvests now.
So I don't see any comments. Where is people are commenting or something like that?
I see that the new API of groups was killed, so there is no way to see that now on the streaming tools. There is no way.
Okay,
No, only
okay,
on Facebook
awesome.
itself. So yeah, it's sad. It's sad, but this is the reality on the groups. When you do live streamings on the pages, you are still able to see comments here. But when it's internal
Mm,
private on groups, no, it's not working that as before. Yeah, we are seeing
awesome.
the streaming section, so you need to change that to be able to demo, right?
Okay, so let's give you a demo. So before going to the demo, I'm just showing
Yeah,
a feature post. You see my screen, right?
yeah, we do. Yeah.
Oh, so this is the
You
Matt
wanna you
Cromwell.
wanna you wanna you wanna zoom in a bit your browser so the font is bigger.
Okay, now
Yeah,
good.
I think that's better. Perfect, perfect,
Okay.
perfect, perfect, perfect.
Okay, so just in this morning, I found this post from Matt Cromwell. He's the senior dev experience engineers and leading the LearnDash and Stellar WP stuff. So he shared this post about creating, redesigning LearnDash LMS, a LearnDash LMS knowledge base page, right? So if we visit LearnDash LMS,
Uh-huh. Learners.com, yep.
uh, so here is their knowledge base.
And now it's powered by Thrive.
No. I
Ah,
wanted to give you some perspective. So they
uh-huh, uh-huh.
redesigned this knowledge base, and Matt shared what he used for this knowledge base. That's the interesting part. So he
Mm-hmm.
shared what he used, like in this post. So obviously it's WordPress, and he used Cadence, Cadence theme.
Uh-huh,
Then he used Beta Docs for knowledge documentation management. Then he used Search WP for
uh-huh.
searching capabilities in the knowledge page. Then he used helpful extensions, that is for feedback, like did this post help you or not. So
Yeah, makes sense.
this post, so that's thing. So it was interesting. I was calculating all the prices, like how much it will cost to build a knowledge base with this tag. So I calculated,
Uh-huh,
and I found like if you go to Cadence theme, it's $90 per year, but the
uh-huh.
next year it will renew on 49, the regular price.
Yeah.
Beta Docs is 52, but it will renew on 99. Search WP is
Mm-hmm.
99, but it will renew in 149. Dogsbot is a SaaS platform, is $120
Yeah.
per year, the beginning plan. And a decent
Yeah.
hosting will cost you $90 per year. And that's alone
Uh-huh. Well,
cost you
to hold
450.
LearnDash traffic, to hold LearnDash traffic, likely they pay a few thousand. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
a few thousand, and they own the hosting company Liquid or something. They can substitute that. But
yeah,
in
exactly.
general, if you can build a knowledge base like this stack, you have a $450, staggering $450 cost, bare bone minimum.
Per year, per year.
Yeah, per
Yeah,
year,
yeah,
and it will increase because all the price are discounted in the Black Friday. It will increase on the next year.
yeah.
So.
That's good math.
Uh,
Perfect.
uh, to just simplify the knowledge base you need, and we all know WordPress requires a more plugin to maintain the whole site, right?
Yeah,
So I
of
was
course.
calculating, like for a simple knowledge base you have to spend $450. So WordPress is not cheap anymore.
No, no,
So
it's not. No, no, totally.
yeah, so with ThriveDesk you can easily and totally do all these stuffs like uh theming, proper documentation management, searching, help feedbacks, hosting, and everything. If I give you a quick example of like our own knowledge base, it's like help center knowledge base. You can have search feature built in here, like I search, boom, instant searching
Live
with the
search,
keyword
live search.
highlighting. Yeah, it's the lighting first search, and we are also working on the AI, so you can chat with AI as well in the document part here. So it will be coming
Nice.
maybe end of this month. So you have the feature. You don't need another helpful plugin to just for a feedback. Like if I click a article, there is a feedback. Did you help this article? Yes or no? So if you vote this, you will
Yeah.
see the result in your CMS part. And for chatbot, we also have chatbot. I'll going to show you in a while. And Cadence theme will give you some themeability, like how this knowledge base will look and how these things will evolve, and we all have that. So if I go our knowledge base here, I'm starting with the
I think
knowledge
that
base because
yeah, I think
yeah,
that we can zoom in again. Your screen is too big, so
yeah.
you can zoom in a bit. So yeah,
Can you, is that
perfect.
better now?
Yeah, it's good enough. It's good enough. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm starting with knowledge base because if you visit our blog or visit our site, you will see we have released tons of feature. We have a release week in the last month, and we have released tons of feature for knowledge base, like app integrations for knowledge base, customizer for knowledge base, like WordPress, like search feature, which I have shown, the media manager, the command center, the knowledge base fully redesigned. In video, the knowledge base you have seen is totally different than the knowledge base we have here. So we have command center. Like if you press command K, it's right at your fingerprint. You don't have to have a mouse or something. Like it's dark mode. It's beautiful.
Yeah, or to pay. Now everyone is buying a WordPress plugin to do this, right?
Yeah, people buy this plugin to do this. Like for command center, you have to buy a plugin. For light mode, you have to buy another plugin. How
Yeah, exactly.
insane!
Exactly.
So
Yeah, it's true.
uh,
I agree.
so you go to the customizer, you will see a customizer. You can create a documentation like feelings, you can create a help center like feelings, you can customize everything for light mode and for dark mode. We have done tons of settings, and it's like WordPress customizer, honestly, because we have been in the ecosystem. We know how good WordPress customizer looks. So
Yeah.
here is typography, here is the heading setting. The most important and beautiful part is you can select a image from Pixabay. Like you can select an image, boom. And the most favorite feature of mine is blending the background. You can select and it's blended, I mean, the
Yeah,
beautiful
beautiful.
fading
Yeah.
effect. So you can do whatever you want in our customizer. You don't have to pay $450 only for knowledge base, and another
Exactly.
another uh, 200 or 300 for live chat and help desk. So you don't have to pay it
Yeah.
separately. With ThriveDesk, you have everything packaged. So our knowledge base, you have articles. You can create articles like from what it's a keyboard. We have apps management. We have a lot of apps, and more are coming. So you can integrate with anything you want. You can custom code it. You can upload your custom code. You can change it to your language. We are also working on the multilingual feature. You can, the most important and advanced feature is the subfolder feature. So a lot of all our competitor will give you the subdomain feature, like docs.yourdomain.com. But for the SEO sake, you can create a subfolder and follow our instruction and set up the subfolder as well. So that is the unique part for our knowledge base. Now we have tons of things, and if you click the what's new, you will see a lot of different things. And we have the media folder. You can, I don't have any media in this demo account, but if I go to ThriveDesk Help Center, you can see a lot of real stuffs here. There's a lot of real stuffs here. You can see a real-time reporting. We are also advancing this reporting as well. So this is alone the knowledge base. We have pushed like crazy feature for the past 2 months. So you don't have to pay $450 for single knowledge base. Now
Yeah, makes sense.
back to ThriveDesk. We just pushed a major update today.
Okay. It's fine. I think that you can show us a bit of the chatbot on the front end. How is the interaction? Can we have a look?
Yeah, yeah. So this is the basic dashboard you are familiar with, and a lot of our customers is also familiar with. And the interesting part is, first part is the AI Copilot. So this is the AI Copilot. When you inside the ticket, have you ever seen this sidebar, Francisco? This is the sidebar feature we have been working for a very long time, and all of our customers loving it. So you can navigate
Uh-huh.
ticket from one place. You don't have to jump back and forth. So
Yeah, makes
that's
sense.
one thing. And another thing is AI Copilot. We call it's Neo. So what it will do, it will connect with your knowledge base. If I go here and show you, I think there is no connection here. So I think I need to install it. I can select the provider OpenAI and cloud and a lot of things. We are still adding, but I think connecting the demo doc will not give us any result because there is no doc inside actually. So I wish I could show you from the real workspace, but there is a potential risk of privacy because a lot of customers
Uh-huh.
information will be
Uh-huh.
publicized.
Yeah. Show us the front end. The front end. I think that is enough. It's fine. No problem.
Okay, so the
Mhm.
first thing is the Copilot here. You can ask question like, "Help me solve this issue." So it will have the knowledge of this ticket, what customer is asking, and what could be the solution based on your help center, based on your previous reply tickets and your website content. As there is no content here, or I haven't published yet, so you cannot see any response here, right? So this is the first thing we are going to release this month. And the other thing is Copilot, that is also under development. I think that is not public yet here in my account, the demo account, where it is. So assistant, inside assistant, there should be an chatbot feature as well, but I think that is not deployed for the public account to see.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So
Sure.
I've seen the developer preview. So what will happen here? You will in the chatbot, it will be enabled, and you can see your knowledge source, and you can chat with your uh, customer. The chatbot will interact with your customers and hand off to the human when he asks to hand off. So
Uh-huh.
by the end of this month, we'll able to public all these things. I think it's not
That's good.
up because we do feature flag testing, so we do not enable feature for the all account. Like you see, this feature is not enabled here. The chatbot AI Copilot feature is not enabled here as well. So we
Uh-huh.
do the feature flag feature, so test few accounts and get their feedback, fix the things, then we roll out for everyone, like the standard
Yeah.
practice for SaaS.
I think
So
it's okay with that.
yeah, that is the future, right? So chatbot, AI chat, AI agent, that is the future, and we are also working to embrace this new technology.
Yeah. I think that's fine. Let me show for a second the deal page, and then I think we will be fine. Give me 1 second.
Yeah,
So present screen. You're showing. Okay, okay. Let me take over.
yeah, sure.
So this is the deal page. No, we saw already this video at the beginning. No, but mostly the core is help center. No, full-fledged help center, live chat with AI Copilot, knowledge base, really flexible, and backups, and of course security for your business. Now
Yeah,
these are
so
kind of
if you
all the tools that you have available.
sorry to interrupt, like if you are using
Yep.
a WordPress plugin, you have to focus on the security side, backup side, and a lot of side, like 10 different plugins. And if one plugin breaks out, you are in a vacation in the middle of Bahamas and you got a notification like your site hacked. Like what the hell?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. No, so it's like lots of peace of mind when you have like a protected solution. No, so reporting, productivity, you can of course manage attacks, live chat, email management. No, you have also custom domains for sending all that,
Yeah.
and then lots of integrations. No, now the deal is this one. This is the current offer, the public offer. No, you can just get started with 199 one time, or 699, or 1K. But no, using the coupon LTDF10, you get 10 off on any of these tiers. We have enabled 50 redemptions for this code. This is a special deal that we have for ThriveDesk at the LTDF community. Parves, thank you for that. I didn't do the math, but let's say solopreneur will be down 20, startup will be down 70, and business will be down 100. That's a lot.
Yeah.
So say up to 100 if you need 3 mailboxes, as I do.
And most importantly, you can use the split payment options. You don't have to pay upfront. We have the 11
Yeah.
split payment options. You can select the split payment and you can pay for the 11
Yeah.
times.
So is the coupon still working for the split, right?
Yeah. That will work.
Okay. Love it. Yeah. So all facilities, no, for you, all the possibilities are open. Just go there, explore what you need. Just hold your money, buy what you need. Don't go crazy, please. Your family needs money as well.
Yeah.
But
Totally.
no, this is like a very solid solution. Honestly, the product is not it's not something that is like kind of I don't know, not worked seriously. No, there are lots of business already relying on this. No, and we have seen the evolution of the product as well. No, it's not like something that is out of the blue 3 months ago. It has been running 2 years, a bit more even. No, so we can see the evolution, how it's working, and more AI features are coming. You can see even like official badges from Capterra, G2, like that speaks highly of ThriveDesk performance. And in the end, if you buy and you try and you're still not happy, there is 14 days, no questions asked, guaranteed. So I don't want to go over because we have been together lots of time already. Also, people don't like to see very long videos, but we did our best. I think Parves sharing what you are doing is great, and also explaining people the core features and how this can also save lots of money if they are running this only with WordPress. So anyway, I think it's good enough. Okay, 1 second.
Yeah. So one last thing.
Yeah.
One last thing, like I think the community, the whole WordPress community is familiar with the Kevin Gray and his company like HWP. He took HWP on the Storm, and he kind of like sold 1,000, I guess 1,500 license on the pre-sold his event. So it's HWP. Then he has the automatic CSS framework for Brisk, Elementor, and all these page builder stuffs. So they use ThriveDesk. So that's the number one thing. And the day they launch HWP, our incoming email was plumbing, like skyrocketed. A lot of questions, we are seeing these metrics, and we handled everything. They're super happy. I met Kevin in the WhatCam US. He's super happy, and probably we're going to have some meeting with him about feedbacks and something like that. But yeah, a lot of
Nice.
people are using, a lot of solid
So
companies are using.
what you can do is then offline you can share the links to their setup, so I can include them in the post on the community. Okay,
I don't get it.
You can share with me the website for them, so we can share the example of them on the website, on the community post as well. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, Parves, I think that is a pleasure to have this time with you, get to know you better, know how passionate you are about this platform, how also kind of pure is your mission and your vision to keep serving the SMB segment. I think that honestly, not everyone aims for that these days. So we really appreciate your honestly sharing with you. Also, don't forget, guys, there is one giveaway pending. So if at any point during this week anyone want to just comment and guess, we might find out at the end of the week who was the winner of guessing what is the age of the first daughter of Parves, like the oldest, right? Okay, That's it. Parvis, again, man, thank you so much for jumping in today. And
Thank you
see
so
you very
much.
soon.
Thank you.
Take care, everyone. Speak soon.
Bye.